Hi, here we have a nice math exponential and equation. Our equation is 16 raised to power root x is equals to root 64 raised to power x. Let's start our solution. In the first step, I will going to use the exponential rule, that is n root a is equals to a raised to power 1 over n. So I will going to change this term by using this exponential rule. 16 raised to power root x is equals to 64 raised to power x 4 raised to power 1 over 2. So I replace this root in replacement of 1 over 2. Next, I will going to use the exponential rule, that is a raised to power m whole raised to power m is equals to a raised to power m times n. So here we are going to multiply the powers. So this equation turns to 16 raised to power x is equals to 64 raised to power x over 2. In the next step, I'm going to change both the bases in the form of power. So this 16 turns to 4 raised to power 2 and 4 raised to power root x. And this 64, 4 3 times give us 64 raised to power x over 2. Here again, I will going to multiply the powers. So it will turn to 4 raised to power 2 root x is equals to 4 raised to power 3x over 2. Now we have the same basis, so we can equate the powers. So the powers we have 2 root x is equals to 3x over 2. Now we are going to cross multiply here. So here we have 1, so it will turn to 2 bracket 2 root x is equals to 3x. So it will turn to 4 root x is equals to 3x. Now here I want to get rid of this root, so I will going to raise square both the side. Will turn to 4 2 times, and this will get cancelled with this, so I have x is remaining is equals to 3 2 times and x 2 times. Here the equation will get 16x is equals to 9x squared. Now I will going to take this 16x to the right hand side. So it will turn to 0 is equals to 9x squared minus 16x. Now I can write this equation in this form. It will be 9x squared minus 16x is equals to 0. Here I will going to take common of x. So here 9x is remaining minus 16 is remaining is equals to 0. Here I got the two cases. The first case x value we have x is equals to 0, and the second we have 9x minus 16 is equals to 0. As I solve it for x, I will get 9x is equals to 16. This will go to the right hand side, return to positive. Now this 9 is multiplying, so it will be going to be divided here. So the value of x we find out that is from the second case as 16 over 9. And from the first case we get that is 0. Now I will going to verify my answer by plugging the value of x in the given equation. Here we have the given equation, and I'm going to plug in the case 1 x value, that is 0. So 16 root 0 is equals to 64 raised to power 0 and root. The root of 0 we have always 0 is equals to, and the 64 raised to power 0, a raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So here this will turn to root 1. And here 16 raised to power 0 again 1, and the root of 1 we have 1. So the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x, that is 0, we find out that is absolutely correct. Now I will going to plug in the case 2 value. Here we have the given equation 16 over 9. 16 root 16 over 9 is equals to root 64 raised to power 16 over 9. Here I will going to solve this power. 16, and the root of 16 we have 4, and the root of 9 we have 3, is equals to, now are we going to change this root in the form of power? 64 raised to power 16 over 9 whole raised to power 1 over 2. Now we're going to simplify it. Q 1 time and Q 8 times, there was 16. So here we have 16 raised to power 4 over 3 is equals to 64 raised to power 8 over 9. Now are we going to change this 64 in the form of power? So we'll get 16 raised to power 4 over 3 is equals to 4 raised to power 3 and whole raised to power 8 over 9. Here this get cancelled by 3. 16 raised to power 4 over 3 is equals to 4 raised to power 8 over 3 we have. Here I will going to change this 16 in the form of power. 4 raised to power 2, 4 raised to power 4 over 3 is equals to 4 raised to power 8 over 3. Now here the powers are going to be multiplied, so it will turn to 4 raised to power 8 over 3 is equals to 4 raised to power 8 over 3. So the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x for the second case, that is 16 over 9, is absolutely correct. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.